I bet you are wondering where I've been. I uploaded a couple of videos in December and then it was radio silence since then. So I had fully intended on uploading regularly, and then my washing machine broke on December 31st, which, you know, for a single mom with a bunch of kids, that's like a catastrophe. So the hose is tight, the filter's on tight, but still all the water that goes in just pours right out of the bottom. My daughter, who is active duty military and currently deployed overseas, she came home on leave on the 1st, which was the next day, and she was here for about 10 days. I'm at the airport to pick her up. Walking through the terminal, trying to find the ticket booth so I can get a gate pass to go wait for her to get off the plane. So when my daughter came home, we decided to surprise everybody because no one knew she was coming home but me. So we pretended that I had ordered pizza for everybody and that I was having it delivered. So she actually is the delivery person. So it took everybody by surprise. And there is a dog over here. Hello, Pupper. This is actually her dog. His name is Thanos, and I am dog sitting the grand dog while she is deployed, but his reaction when he realizes that she is home is priceless. Yeah.
Jalen!
Move.
Oh, I wanted for...
It took him a minute.
Are you done with the army?
No, honey. I know.
Are you gonna stay here in time for Christmas?
I will.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm. Since my daughter was coming home on leave, we waited to have Christmas until after she got back. So nobody opened presents or anything. Santa did come on Christmas Eve though, because he can't change his schedule. But nobody opened presents on Christmas morning. So when my daughter got back, the next morning for us was Christmas morning. So here's a little bit of our Christmas festivities.
3, 2, 1.
Go find the Christmas pickle.
Found it!
You found the Christmas pickle! My car got broken into. Yeah, that happened. I even have it on video. Just lots of life things came up that had made it difficult for me to actually get some videos done. Plus, I am a admitted perfectionist, and so even though I was trying to work on videos, I needed them to be perfect. So of course they take forever to make. My camera is supposed to follow me. Sometimes it has a mind of its own. So you got to see my lamp. Anyway, so I just wanted to kind of catch you up on where I've been and what I've been doing. In addition to being a professional organizer, I am I am also a professional writer, and I just released my first children's book called Just Sleep, because I don't know about you, but my kids do not want to go to sleep at night. Or should I say my two, over here camera, my two younger kids. My 4 oldest kids, I had no problems getting them to sleep at night. I'd put them to bed, they'd go to bed, not really a thing. But my 2 younger kids, completely different story. I put them to bed, they get back up, they turn on the lights, they're playing around, they're in each other's beds, and it's a whole thing. Let me tell you, it's a thing. So I wrote this book because I wanted a book that I could read to my kids that was not only relatable to them about their bedtime experience, but also relatable to me as the parent. So I will put a link to that down in the description if anyone is interested in that. But that has also taken up a bit of my time as well, getting that finished up and published and so forth. So here I am back on YouTube, and I am going to be putting out a series soon, and I'll have more information on that in upcoming videos. But I want to check in with everybody. So how have you been doing with your New Year's resolutions? Is anybody still keeping going with their resolutions? Yay, nay? Let me know in the comments below. I probably for the first time in a really long time did not make any resolutions this year. Instead, I am just focusing on what I want to do professionally and personally, and just trying to stay focused on that, not so much as a resolution, but just as a, here's what I need to do to get to where I want to be, and just stay focused on that. So I didn't make any specific resolutions. So we'll see how that pans out this year. Anyway, I just want to say hello to everybody. I hope you're having a fantastic 2022. Hello, Cameron. You know, I'm trying to make fancier videos, you know, so I've got the camera that will follow me as I move. But sometimes it just moves and I'm not even over there, so who knows? I'm trying. Plus the leg broke off of the tripod. This is the first time I've used it, and when I went to pick it up, one of the legs had broken off. I'm like, seriously? Do you know how much this cost? Anyway, so I hope everybody is doing well and have a wonderful year, and St. Patrick's Day is coming. Bye.